Hey, welcome back everybody. Here's a super quick video on augmented assignment operators. They're used to replace a statement where an operator takes a variable as one of its arguments and then assigns the
x is equal to x minus 5, for example, and then we could say, oh shit, I missed everything, bruh. I still don't remember to add the fucking semicolon at the end. Second method is similar to Python, because actually Python is made with C. So x minus is equal to 5. Put it on 5, for example. Again, I missed this. Okay, so now we have multiplication and addition. Wait a fucking second. Control Alt, no, Control C, code runner, terminal. Yes. Okay, I think that's it. Now, I like the terminal. Control clear, ls clear, exit, for example. Now Control Alt N. Yes, nice. So I need to do print f \n, and then this. Now we say augmented assignment operators, and then we say printf augmented assignment operators, and then we say this. So, and then we add this. Control Alt N. We have this. Now we could say like int augmented assignment operators. So A and then O. For example, add increment. So okay, and then we have int AO this underscore. We can just use this, I think. So let's give it a value, like let's give it the value of I don't know, fucking 10, similar to the video. And then we have okay, so increment by 1. No, let's go for 10, 20, 10. Let's go for 5. Okay, so we're gonna go for, we can have 2 ways we can increment by 1. So we can do the first one. I know this. Like, who doesn't fucking know? If you use Python, you know this. So I don't need to rewrite. I'm just gonna, but now I know that it is called, this bit is called not this one. This is just like similar counter thing. This is just like the same fucking thing, but this is like with a syntax thing, you know. Yeah, but now I know it's called augmented assignment operators. Yeah. So we have this. By the way, I made this theme. Like, I use Atom theme and just customized it. I mean, it's not good. It's not. I'm still trying to, like, this yellow is not that good. I'm not a UI UX designer. I'm not a graphic designer. So I'm still, you know, figuring out as stuff is, like, you know, things. Yes. Good talk. So what I can say is, let's go to here, print this. So if I can do like a increment is equal to plus is equal to 5. So this should give me increment 5. So I'm just gonna print out printf. So increment by 5. Yeah, so we get is equal to %d AO increment. So this goes here. If I print this now, should give me this. Yes. It does give me this. So if I do FN \n and I get this. So now if I can just do the same thing but now decrement. So decrement by 10. Let's so decrement by 10. So it's 5. It's gonna decrement by what? 6. Let's try this. 6. Because 5 is gonna be no. Let's try 7. Decrement by 7. Decrement by 7. So increment minus is equal to 7. Let's try this and then let's just print again. So same fucking thing, just paste this over here, append this, delete this, Control Alt N, we get 8. Nice. Now we can do the division of it. So if I remember correctly, this division is just to put the division in front of it.
So I could. That's 12.
Yeah, just the division and the multiplication. You just do that. So what I can do is I can just like and then increment. I'm gonna write addition. I can just yank this VW, yank this, and then paste this. Insert. This goes here. Yeah, good. And then for this one, I'm just gonna write increment multiplication multiplication, so and then yank this, paste this, append this, and then this also, and then so decrement. Vim is so good, like for real. Vim is so good. Yeah. So what I can now do is I can now insert, and I'm going to say x is equal to x times 2. X times 2. Yeah, fuck it, x times 2. So now I have this, and then I can do x similar to, so first method. I mean, I don't need this. Should we delete and then yes, and then increment, decrement, addition, delete this, delete this. So and then first method, yeah, and then second method, and then I'm getting is so times and is equal to, so what, 2. So this is perfect, not perfect. Yes, this is good. Wait a fucking second, my phone just vibrated. Yep. So then again, there's no decrement multiplication. What the fuck am I saying? So I'm just gonna write no VBB, delete this, and then multiplication, insert this goes right here, and then delete this. So okay, so now if I go for division, I just did this, thinking that it's, you know, fucking Python. Yeah, so what I was saying, that division, so it's gonna be 16, I think. No, so wait, I'm thinking too much. I need to stop thinking. Increment, so decrement, and then increment, undo. Then this goes multiplication slash division, and then I guess I'm just gonna write right. So this can just copy this, yank this, paste this over here, and then paste this over here, delete this and delete this. So from what I can see, I can just do, so vd insert 2, vd insert this. What the fuck am I doing? Insert this. I can see, I can just print. It's gonna be 9. No, we don't. Bruh. Yeah, the title of the video, I think, or the live stream is gonna be, if nothing to do is go to true and print DOC and random things. I'm doing C, but I did that in Python because I don't know how to do state. I mean, I know like the basics, but I don't know the syntax of it. So let's continue with this. So increment, decrement, multiply by 2 with the insert 2, and then I'm just gonna multiply by 2, and then we can save this, delete CIW, no CIW, so divide by 3, just control alt N, and then we get 5, so 16, so it's gonna be, wait, I'm such a fucking noob. It's using this fucking value. Or is it not using this value? So if I do 2 here with the insert 2, I should if I do 1 here, just for fuck's sake, so for like testing purposes, it's using this fucking value, so it's good. So divide by 3, there's no fucking, divide by 2, I guess, divide by 16, divide by 16, 8, 4, divide by 4, insert 4, so now I can just do this with the I 4, control alt N, divide by 4, you get 4. This is good. So the final answer is, so we could write print f, oh shit, so dash n, and then print f again, and then we could say the final number is percent %d, and then increment append alt n, the final number is 4, as you can see it's 4. So I just did that by myself, and I can do this now. So first method, we could say x is equal to x divided by 2, that's just 10 for example, and then the second method would be x divided by is equal to 10. Is that good? Yeah, it's good. It's gonna be good. Obviously it's gonna be good. I'm doing it.
Operator, which is
Yeah, modulus.
X
I forgot.
modulus
I forget,
2
yeah, the modulus. I forgot. I always forgot. I always forget about the modulus. So I know it. I'm gonna write remainder because my brain, you know. So first method could be, we could say what? X is equal to x modulus 4, I guess. I don't know. Then the second method would be x modulus I said modulus is equal to 4. 4. So if I go back to my fucking shitty piece of remainder and I say yes, a lot of movement in my house, so you know, insert and then you get %d, and then AAO increment, and then do this. I think it's gonna be fine. It's gonna it's gonna tell me that it's gonna be 0, and it's 0. So the final number, yeah, because x is now 0. No, x no. I'm sorry. A underscore increment is now 0. Nice. So clear. I'm gonna go Windows M. Now this remainder thing is here. Okay. So now it's gonna be user input. Yeah, user input.
Short. Subscribe if you'd like.
scanf.
Welcome back. In this, make that change now display in terminal, which accepts user input. Output doesn't because, well,
Yeah,
to manage the PowerShell just to kind of simplify. And we'll ask how old option is specifier variable age. To display, you are
Okay. User input, user values, user input. So then insert user inputs. Control up, go up again. Arithmetic operation, and then yeah, GG boys, and then shift this, and then C user inputs, and then control C, control V, and then you get this. So you should do this, and then I click on this here. I'm gonna get back. Similar to in Python, if we would like to take an input, control B, input from the user, we would do Python, and then for example, so variable, I'm fucking dumb bro, variable, and then we could say like a variable variable name. So name is equal to input, please enter your name. We would do like this, variable name. So no, it's declare name of string, similar to fucking, you know, or we could declare age. So integer, and then we say age is equal to int, and then input, and then please enter your age. That's it. You know, it converts the, because input so we need to, I'm not gonna explain this, but we need to, for age we need to change the the type class, like the data type, because input will only the input function, if you give it an input of a number and you want to do the calculation on it, you won't be able to calculate things because it is in string format, string data type basically. So for you to calculate, to be able to use numbers, actual numbers, not string numbers like double quotes and then a number inside of it, and just a number like an integer number, if you know what I'm saying, you have to typecast it with integer first. You know what I'm saying? You have to typecast it with integer first, else it's not gonna work. You'll be like, if you do 1 plus 1, you, instead of getting 2, you would get 11. Yeah. So if I do, so yes, so if I do so number is equal to input, please enter a number. I don't think it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try. Please enter a number, so 2, and then a print, so number plus 2, so add is equal to number plus 2, you're gonna get what that is it's can't concatenate a string. That's it. You know what I'm saying? So to like for you to add, you would add like, for example, if you had number, print so f number, and then this. What the fuck? Yeah, it's a string. I'm fucking print number. Yes, it's gonna be 2. So if I do like num1 is equal to input, please enter another number. So I do this. I do this. It's gonna prompt me to ask another number. I'm gonna write 2. So if I do number, so add 2 is equal to number. So string, both is string, number plus no, it's not gonna be able to plus. Yeah, that's the fucking thing. I forgot how to do it. Concatenation. Yeah, basically concatenate. What if I write this? Concatenate with num1. Yeah, fucking I don't know. I forgot. There's a way I was control. No, not this. Control should be. So Python basics, Python language, because it's so fucking typecast. Where is it? Typecast. See, this is typecasting. So age will be a string, because age is actually right now is of type integer, so it's gonna be it's gonna have to be the f function, the print. Inside you put f and then double quotes. That is I did at the time when I was doing this. Oh, you see, this is me adding this after. So basically at the time when I was writing this, I was using the typecast function because that's the only thing I knew. Then I was like, you know what, I was watching some videos on YouTube, like, you know, as one does, and I found that you can do like this. So it's automatically, you don't have to type a lot then. You just have to type F and just, you know, syntax, Python things. See? Like this is typecast. Okay, I'm getting too distracted. Let's continue. An inbuilt function, and in dash built function provided by the so insert stdio.h header, so header slash library point. So C, so user inputs, and then we could like scanf. Yeah, can I do this? I don't know how to do this one. User inputs, so int name is equal to sorry, int it's not name, it's not int. Let me do char name, then this printf, enter your name, and then scanf. So it's gonna be percent. Is it? Yeah, it's inside. Percent percent s, and then why does name? Why is name? Why do I have a problem? Incomplete type. Expected A. Wait, what? What do you mean incomplete type? Hey, where is it? I think I need to add this. Insert is equal to. Is equal to. I don't know. He did it. He did it with fucking, you know, Control J. So insert name, and then I do this. Control Alt N. Will this work? Yeah. Name input name user underscore name. So insert user underscore name. So Control Alt N. Please enter your name. The final number is 0. Oh shit, I exited it. Print f backslash n. So what? So print f. It's not. Oh my fucking god, bro. So user inputs backslash n, and then this goes here. Why is printf highlighted? Yeah, because this is missing. Now I can do so insert backslash n, and then Control Alt N. Fuck you ho. Yeah. I'm not gonna exit clear. I'm gonna say print f your username is so username is %s, and then user underscore name, and then I'm gonna write control N, and then fuck you. Oh yeah, because it won't. Yeah, forgot about that. So he explained in the video that if you put a white space, it's read until the white space. So scanf. So warning. So a warning sign append. So note a warning sign. Scan the function. The function scanf will only input. Will only accept. You could say accept read. Control B, read the user the input till the first white space. Okay, so you could say white space as in like so slash space For example, if I input if I input if I input good night bitch, it's gonna be read. It will, and let's say we have a variable called what? I don't know. Then day, night, good night. If we were to, I guess, output slash print good night, the output would be, so C, and then this goes here, so this so this here, and then this here. Yeah, it's a fucking ton of work, but I like to do the work. Ah, shit. Okay, sounds good. So it would output, it's not gonna output, it's not C, it's bash, so console, and then the output would be a good night, as you can see. It completely ignores control B, ignores the what, the beach part, So as you can see, there is a workaround. I think you have to include, I don't know why, but I have in the morning I was watching till user input, then you know then I you know you know I was watching this. What the fuck is this? Bro, what? I don't like the video. I don't know what the fuck. I don't know. Yeah, so let's just continue. What time is it? By the way, I'm thinking of switching to Pop OS or using GNOME. And I'm gonna make GNOME like KDE. Don't judge. I know KDE is KDE, but the thing is, I think most people use GNOME. Like, I think. Now, I don't know. So, what is the most used desktop environment in Linux? GNOME, yeah, it's GNOME. The GNOME is the best, not the best, but it is GNOME. Then kidding. What is the mate desktop environment? Mate. So Linux and then mate. Is it like Linux Mint? Yeah, it's similar to Linux. Oh, it's this one. Yeah, I think GNOME, Unix Phone. Show me your GNOME. Like, super comfy, the best desktop environment ever. I'm not gonna say it's the best desktop environment ever, but it is cool. It is really cool. Yeah, so let's continue with this.
21 years old. That's basically how to accept.
So let's go for integers. Integer. I have not even wrote it yet. So let's go for integers first. Integers. So int user number is equal to, so it user number, and then I'm gonna write so print so backslash n, no, what the fuck am I doing? Print f, so backslash, not pipe, backslash n, so please enter a number, please enter, I'm gonna say age, please enter your age, and then user, we delete, insert age, and then this goes here, and then this goes here. What I can do now is I can scan for the input. So I'm not gonna scan for the input, I'm gonna, yeah, you can say scan for the input. So percent percent I said percent d, and then user underscore age, user underscore age, yeah. Control Alt N, enter your age, 100 years old. What the fuck? It doesn't continue? Why? What? Wait, actually, what the fuck? Control Alt N. 12.
User input, you use the scanf function, use the formats.
Oh, it's percent age. Percent insert percent. No, it's concatenate. Ampersand symbol, not concatenate symbol. So if I do 12, okay, I'm not actually 12 years old, you know, and then I do, okay, it's gonna be nice. I forgot about the percent. So I'm just gonna write a little like note. So note for you could say for integers, integer variables, do not forget the so 7, and then forget the 7 symbol. Do not forget the ampersand symbol in front of the variables. So you could say so integers, integers, and then you say int user. So age. I'm just gonna write age. Fuck you. And then we say print f, please. So backslash n. No. Undo. Insert backslash n, and then insert this. So please enter your age, and then you can say this, and then you say scan f. So percent the ampersand age, and then you say I don't know. It's gonna be the fucking same for float, I think. Or is it not? That is a question to ask. If I do float, and then I remove, this, so VD. So Control Alt N. Let me just fucking print this, yank this, paste, and then paste this over here. So your username, your age is, so user underscore age is this, Control Alt, so VDA is Control Alt N. No, it's not. Oh, it's Control C. Yeah. What? No, wait a second. It's gonna be float. So it's gonna be VD insert LF. It's just F. Insert VD. F. Control Alt N. And then so it does not print. So if I add this, so append, and then if I add this, Control Alt N, and then it's gonna be this, and then 2 thumbs up for the boys. 2 thumbs up for the boys. For integers and floats and doubles, for integer variable, for number variables. So you could say delete insert number variables. Insert. So do not Control B. So I mean integers. Fucking hell. Floats, and then doubles. Looking very nice. But what if I Control Alt P, export to PDF? I'm gonna hit desktop. Is this gonna be like? No, it's still like this. It's still. Bro, it's nice. This is also nice. Wait, let me get my terminal. Oh. Let me get my terminal up. The more I use Windows now, the more fucked I see it. Like, I launch parameters. Let Windows default. Let Windows decide. So I put it at the start. Everything was good. So when it appears like this square thing. Now just like half of the screen goes down, and I don't know. So I was thinking about something. Let it be. I'm gonna do it myself when I have time. I like to put spaces. I don't know why. Even though I need to stop putting like so much space. Like, look at this. This, but I like it. I like, placing these things. If I go to my GitHub one thing, let me check my dot files. And then if I go and check my dot file VS Code Windows Terminal settings. I need to make a white team. I don't know why. key bindings to JSON. Okay. No, it's gonna be settings to JSON. So CJ down. So I have this. Basically NVChad's configuration. Yeah, fuck this.
Specifier of the variable. List the variable preceded with the
Scanf. So we've append. So I'm gonna say characters slash strings. So we remember. No. Remember we do not have strings. That's what she said. Okay. Char of names. Again name. And then fuck off. And then we say is equal to nothing. So and then so we do what do we do? I'm just gonna say printf. So and then this insert. Please enter your name. So scanf. So %s, and then the fucking name. Namaiwa. Name. And then you have this. Good. Very nice. Very cool. Very nice. Yeah, I'm just like looking at my code. Yeah, let's continue with this.
the address of operator. Let's try this again, but instead accept a string from
You know why I'm going so slow? Because I don't have an exam to study. When I learn Python, Python is easy to learn. I think it's, if you like, you can say if you know the basics of programming, I think you can. If you know pseudocode, basically, I think you can learn Python in like 1 week. That's it. Like fully. I mean, like you can like arrays, everything, exception, computer, in a week. But you only need 3 days to understand the basics, or less than 3 days, because I was not like on my computer 24/7. I was like, I had only like 1 hour of computer use, and I was making notes with that. If you don't make any notes, for example, if you just go in and do projects and start creating things, I think it would just only need like 2 days or 1 day to learn Python if you have the whole day free and available. Yeah, so easy. But one thing also, I don't need to go fast because I'm not in a rush, but I plan on switching from Python to C. I mean, Python is good, but C, Python, the thing I like about Python is, so Python Python versus C. You could say Python versus C. So Python, easier, so easier to learn, very English-like, so very English-like, and then garbage collection, I think, and then beginner friendly, and then so one of the main advantages, I think the main advantage for me, the main advantage is going to be, so let me write Python first and then do this. The main advantage for me is going to be, so typing time is little to is false, you know. And also there's no declaration, no declaration implies making typing faster. But the main disadvantage for me, because I'm disadvantage for what I can see with Python, is I don't know anything about C, so I'm just like, from the like little notes I'm taking and the little notes the little C code I'm doing, so it's, I don't have much knowledge about C, but you know, I'm gonna get that after. So the main disadvantage I see is compilation time. So compilation time. So it's not actually compilation, it's interpreter. So that is why I think that's the main disadvantage. Which C implies, I'm just gonna write everything here because I don't have the time. Implies C is faster at compilation by a lot, and I mean a lot. Wait a second, just if you open it terminal. So if I do nvim test.py, fm test1.py, insert x in a range of 100, print x. No, I'm not. Okay. So nvim. Wait. Nvim. Bruh. Victor Mono. Nerd font. Save. Okay, good. Nvim. So time. So Python test1.py. Okay, yeah, it's like 99. Fuck it. Time. Python test. Yo, I don't know how to do a for loop. I don't know how to do a for loop in. So let's try it. Test1.py. Oh, it doesn't fucking work. Windows, man, Windows. Yeah, fuck this. But you could like. There's videos online which like count to 1 billion or something like that, so you know. I think I'm gonna continue this off stream because I think like it's time to go. I have not been getting so much sleep lately. Yeah, so what am I saying? So thank you for watching. I think I'm gonna go now.